Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is a quick video for those of you still using Internet Explorer. Um, Microsoft, in a blog post yesterday, February 7th, 2019, kind of issued a warning to everybody. It first of all issued that warning to enterprise, to companies, but it's extending that to everybody that just is still using Internet Explorer on their computers. Internet Explorer is an old browser. It hasn't been updated except for little security updates here and there in a long time, which means it's outdated technology. And the internet, the web is a form of technology. The web pages that you see use different technologies that evolve all the time. Now, when Internet Explorer had new versions, it was fine. If you enjoyed that, it's okay. I'm not the kind of guy that really goes nuts on whatever you should use to go on the web. But I have to say that in 2019, you need to stop using Internet Explorer because you're exposing yourself to more problems and possibility of being unsecure just because it's older technologies and it's not made for today's world. So what should you use if you want to use something else? Well, I recommend any modern browser is great. I don't want to push any browser more than another, but whether it's Opera or Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome, it doesn't matter. The one that you like it's all okay. Just the one that you love. The rest, it doesn't matter. You can try them all if you want and see the one that you like better and uninstall the other ones. Just check it out. But at least those browsers are modern, have updates all the time, and you know what? You might even find that they're faster and better, anyways, than Internet Explorer is. So if you're wondering about the favorites, if you're wondering about your settings, when you install a new browser, it's going to ask you, do you want to import from another browser? It's okay. Just say yes and import from Internet Explorer, and it's going to import all the little details, all this little settings that are important to you, or the favorites that you want to keep. No problem. Just do that. It is a big move. I do understand that moving from one browser to a new browser when you've been using the same thing forever is somewhat of a big move for a lot of people. But at some point, you have no choice, and Internet Explorer is pretty much dead. Move on to something else and something more modern. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.